If you're experiencing a login failure in The Sims 4 with error code 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by trying to access other websites or online services. Step 2. Restart The Sims 4. Close the game completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the login failure. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure that The Sims 4 is updated to the latest version. Check for updates through the game launcher or the platform you are using, Origin, Steam, etc., and install any available updates. Step 4. Clear cache files. Clear the cache files related to The Sims 4. This can help eliminate corrupted data that may be causing the login issue. Locate the cache files in your game folder and delete them, then restart the game. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to EA Support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the error and the steps you've already taken to resolve it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure issue in The Sims 4. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the community or official support channels.